Hi everyone, welcome back to Art City. My name is Alicia and today I'll be showing you how to make these really cool 3D paper hot air balloons. This craft involves making several balloon shapes, then gluing them together to create a 3D shape. We'll also be using a toilet paper roll as our basket. So without further ado, let's get started. The supplies you need for this craft include several sheets of paper. You can also use colored paper if available, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a toilet paper roll, glue or tape, string, and coloring tools. You can use whatever you have available, such as colored pencils, markers, or pens. The first step to this craft is preparing our paper. Using my pencil, I'm going to draw a balloon shape. It's important to make sure that this shape is symmetrical, so I will be folding my paper in half, then drawing half a balloon shape. Then I'll use my scissors to cut this out. If we unfold it, you can see that we have a perfectly symmetrical balloon shape. From now on, I'm going to use this shape as a stencil, and we'll be tracing and cutting 4 more balloons, so we'll end up with 5 balloons in total. Here, I'm just using a scrap piece of paper and tracing over my stencil to create an identical shape. Like I mentioned before, keep repeating these steps until you end up with 5 balloon shapes in total. Now, let's put our craft together. Make sure your shapes are folded in half. Then we will glue these shapes together by gluing each side to another piece of paper, like so. Make sure the papers are nicely aligned. You should finish with this shape. You're going to have to continue the same process until all the shapes are put together. Eventually, all your shapes should be glued in a stack. Lastly, just make sure the last sides are glued together, and then you'll have your 3D balloon shape. Once you're done, we'll set it aside so that we can work on our basket. You're going to take your toilet paper roll and cut off a little over half. We'll be using the smaller side. Now cut out 4 pieces of string. Then we're going to be using tape to attach the string to the inside of the toilet paper roll. I actually found it easier to attach the tape to the string first, and then tape the entire thing inside the toilet paper roll. Continue this process until the strings are placed evenly around the toilet paper roll. Then we're going to do a similar process and just tape the strings to the balloon. I'm making sure to tape my strings where the center line falls. Once you make sure it's all secure, you should have your hot air balloon and your basket. At this point, you can use your coloring tools and just decorate your hot air balloon. After you're finished decorating, you should now have your final piece. Alright, so I hope you had fun making today's craft. That's all for today's video, and thank you for watching. Bye!